Baik, selamat pagi. Pada kesempatan ini eh, ingin share materi terkait dengan eh, designing and managing service processes. Ini merupakan bagian dari Service Marketing C1A Global Edition, Chapter 8. Langsung saja, overview of Chapter 8, flow charting, customer service processes, blueprinting service to create value, experience, and productive operation. Service process redesign, the customer as co-producer, self-service technologies. Next, flow charting customer service processes. Flow charting service delivery helps to clarify product elements. Technique for displaying the nature and sequence of the different steps in delivery service to customer. Offers way to understand total customer service experience. Shows how nature of customer involvement with service organization varies by type of service. People processing, position processing, mental stimulus processing, information processing. Flowchart for people and position processing services. People processing stay at motel, park car, check-in, here the area park car, and then the next activities is check-in, and then the next activities is spend night in room, and then next activities is breakfast, and then check out. When in the activities two, check-in, might mix up room, and fourth activities breakfast. There are breakfast preferred by hotel and position repair a DVD player. The example of position repair a DVD player, travel to store, number one, activities one, number two, technician examines player, diagnosis problem, activities three, leave store, activities four, return pick up player and pay, activities five, later play DVDs at home. Area of technician repair is from uh, number two, activities number two, up to activities number four, technician repair plan. Information processing services. Mental stimulus processing, weather forecast. Mental stimulus processing, weather forecast. Turn on TV, select channel, view presentation of weather forecast, confirm plans for picnic. Collect weather data, meteorologist input data to model and create forecast from output, view presentation of weather forecast, information processing with health insurance, learn about option, select plan, complete forms, pay, insurance coverage begins, printed policy document arrive. Here is university and insurance company agree on terms of coverage. Customer, and here is customer information entered in database. Blueprinting services to create value, experience, and productive operation. Developing a blueprint. Developing a blueprint, identify key activities in creating and delivering service. Define big picture before drilling down to obtain a higher level of detail. Advantage of blueprinting, distinguish between front stage and backstage, clarify interaction and support by backstage activities and system. Identify potential fail points, take preventive measures, prepare contingency, pinpoint stage where customer commonly have to wait. Key component of service blueprint uh, is define standard for front stage activities, line of interaction, front desk action, frontline personnel, support progress involving other personnel, specific physical evidence, identify principal customer action, line of visibility, backstage action by customer, contact personnel, support process involving IT. The objective is identify file points and risks of excessive weights, set service standards, file proof process. Blueprinting the restaurant experience Act 1. Here is area of front stage and here is area backstage. The activity is make reservation, valid parking, courtroom. Physical evidence, line of interaction, contact person, visible action, sound on tone of voice, nature of neighborhood, building exterior, experience of employee, courtroom, employee, other codes. Accept reservation, confirm date, time party, greet customer, take car keys, greet take code, give code check, line visibility, contact person, invisible action, check availability, insert booking, take car to parking lot, hang cost, with visible check numbers, line of internal physical interaction, maintain reservation system, maintain for rent facilities, maintain facilities or equipment. And here is support process. Blueprinting restaurant experience at 3 act performance. Action 1, prologue and introductory scans. Action 2, delivery of core product, cocktails, seating, order food and wine service, potential file point, menu information complete, menu intelligible, everything on the menu actually available, mistake in transmitting information, a common cause of quality failure, customer may not only evaluate quality of food and drink, but how promptly it is served of serving staff attitudes. Action 3, the drama concludes. Remaining actions should move quickly and smoothly with no surprises at the end. Customer expectation, accurate, intelligible, and prompt bill payment handled only tightly. Guests are thanked for their patronage. Improving reliability of process through file proofing. Identify file points, analysis of reason for failure reveals opportunities for failures proofing to reduce, eliminate future errors, need file save methods for both employees and customer. Setting service standards and target. Service providers set standard for each step sufficiently high to satisfy and even delight customer. Include time parameters, script, and prescription for appropriate style and demeanor must be expressed in ways that permit objective measurement, performance target, specific process, and team performance target for which staff are responsible for evaluated based on distinction between standard and target. Setting service standard and target. First impression is important. Affect customers' evaluation of quality during later stage of service delivery as customer perception of service experience tend to be cumulative. For low contact service, a single failure committed front stage is relatively more serious than in a high contact service. Setting standard and targets for customer service processes. Service attributes is responsiveness, reliability, competence, accessibility, courtesy, communication, credibility, confidentiality, listening to the customer. Service process indicators is processing time to approve application, create a base to measure customer satisfaction, service process standard to 24 hours, define service quality goals for staff, performance target, 80% of all applications in 24 hours, define process, departmental service goal. Redesigning service processes. Why redesign? Revitalize process that has become outdated. Change in external environment make existing practice obsolete and require this redesign of underlying process. Rusting occurs internally, natural deterioration of internal processing, creeping bureaucracy, evolution of superiors, unofficial standards, symptoms, extensive information exchange data that is not useful, high ratio of checking control activities to value adding activities. Why redesign institutions are like steel beams. They tend to rust. What was once smooth and shiny and nice tends to become rusty. By Michelle T. Repkin, MD, former president of Boston Beth Israel Hospital. Why redesign? Redesign aims to achieve this performance measure, reduce number of service failures, reduce cycle time from customer initiation of service process to its completion, enhance productivity, increase customer satisfaction. Process redesign, approaches and potential benefits. Eliminating non-value adding steps, streamline front and back-end process of services, improve productivity and customer satisfaction, shifting to self-service, increase in productivity and service quality, lower cost and perhaps prices, enhance technology reputation, differentiates company, delivering direct service, improve convenience for customers, productivity can be improved by eliminating expensive retail location, increase customer base. Process redesign approaches and potential benefit. Bundling service involves grouping multiple services into one offer, focusing on a well-defined customer group, a better fit to the needs of target segment, increase productivity with customized service, increase per capita service use, redesigning physical aspect of service process, focus on intangible elements of service process, facilities and equipment, increasing convenience, enhance satisfaction and productivity of frontline staff, cultivate interest in customer. The customer as co-producer. Level of customer participant high. Customer work actively with provider to produce the service. Service cannot be created without customer action participation. Customer can jeopardize quality of service outcome. Medium. Customer input required to assist provider, provide needed information and instruction, make some personal effort, share physical possessions, law, employees, and system do all the work, involves standardized work. Customer as partial employees. Customer can influence productivity and quality of service process and outputs. Customer not only bring expectation and needs, but also need to have relevant for service product competencies. For the relationship to last, both parties need to cooperate with each other. Managing customer. Recruitment and selection required customer that possess the competency to perform the necessary tasks. Job analysis. Are customer aware of their roles and equipped with the required skill, education, and training information required for them to perform their roles via instruction or video demonstration? Motivate, ensure that they will be rewarded for good performance. Price for super performance, improve customer training or change the role of process. Ending, last resort, if customer is not compliant, consider termination of the relationship. Self-service technologies. Self-service technologies, SSTS. SSTS are the ultimate form of customer involvement where customer undertakes specified activities using facilities or system provided by service supplier. Customers' time and effort replace those of employees. Information-based service lends themselves particularly well to SSTS, used in both supplementary service and delivery of core product. Self-service technologies, STS, many companies and government organizations seek to divert customers from employee contact to internet-based self-service. Advantage, time and cost saving, flexibility, convenience of location, greater control over service delivery, high perceived level of customization, disadvantage, anxiety, and stress experienced by customers who are uncomfortable with using them. Some see service encounters as social experience and prefer to deal with people. What aspect of SSTS please or annoy customers? People love SSTS when SST machines are conveniently located and accessible 24 hours in a week, often as close as the nearest computer. Obtaining detailed information and completing transactions can be done faster can through face-to-face or telephone contact. People hate SSTS when SSTS file system is down, PIN number not accepted, etc. Customers themselves mess up forgetting password, failing to provide for information as requested, simply hitting wrong buttons. Key weakness: few firms in corporate service recovery system such that customers are still forced to make telephone calls or personal visit. Putting SSTS to test by asking a few simple questions. Does the SSTS work reliably? Firm must ensure that SSTS are dependable and user-friendly. Is the SSTS better than personal alternative? Customer will stop conventional methods is SSTS doesn't create benefit for them. If it fails, what systems are in place to recover? Always provide systems, structures, and technologies that will enable prompt service recovery when things fail. Managing customer reluctance to change. Increasing customer participation level in a service can be difficult. Marketing communication to be used. Prepare customer for change. Explain the rationale and benefits. What customer need to differently in the future. Summary, service blueprinting can be used to design a service and creating a satisfying experience for a customer. Key components of the blueprint include blueprinting a restaurant or other service can be a three-act performance, prologue and introductory scans, delivery of the core product, conclusion of drama. Service standard and target are different, can be used to evaluate performance. Service process redesign, reduce service failure, and enhance productivity. When the customer is a co-producer, issues to consider are levels of customer participation, self-service technology SST, psychological factors, and customer co-production, aspect of SST that please our annoy customer. Okay, thank you for the attention. Finish for chapter 8, designing and managing service project. See you the next time.